Hi everyone, this is Jonah Andersson and I'm just recording this quick video log from my hotel room here in Stockholm Airport. I did arrive last night very late after speaking at a few conferences this past week. So last weekend, Saturday, I was traveling to Porto, Portugal to speak at CollabDays Portugal, and there I did share about developing with Azure Developer CLI and spoke about Azure Container Apps as well. And I did have a good time with the session that I have delivered, and also the connections that I've made during the conference. And thank you so much to the organizers of CollabDays Portugal for having me as one of your speakers. Porto is a beautiful place. I wish I had more days in that place, but I was just there for the conference, and then I had to head to from Porto and flew about 5 hours total travel time from Porto to Budapest, where I was there a few days to speak at Experts Live Europe in Budapest this year. And it was my first time in Budapest. Budapest is an amazing place. I had a chance to see the architecture and tried some of their food. And in that conference, I have delivered my first collaboration pre-conf workshop with Steve Buchanan from Microsoft, and we did a session together for the first time we met as well. We collaborated in delivering, laying the foundations, building SaaS or software as a service on Azure, and it has been great. We had a pretty good audience and very good audience in a way that it became very interactive, and we ran out of time. So that means that we really had fun learning together at that workshop. So I want to give a shout out to Steve for being a good collaborator in terms of building this workshop. We did actually synergize a lot in this one and combined our powers in delivering it. So thank you so much, Steve, and also thank you to those attendees that joined our sessions. And I know that Jose, one of the audience, also an MVP, gave me a chocolate from Australia. That was very kind of you. So thank you so much. And then actually, I flew home and I arrived yesterday very late. So now I'm in a hotel room, but I'm checking out soon. I'm just recording this vlog very quickly. I want to thank, in terms of Experts Live Europe, I want to say thank you to Isadora, to Stephen Simon, to Carly, and to Petra, the photographer, and everybody around. There's so many of them, including the sponsors that made and volunteers that made the event successful. It was awesome, and I also would like to thank Experts Live Europe for the opportunity to actually use my book as a book raffle at the event this year. So I did some book raffles and giveaways for my session and signed it during our closing keynote. So that was awesome. Congratulations to the winners of the book. So next stop for me will be next week, another conference in GOTO Copenhagen. And I gonna be speaking about a different topic there this time. I did deliver a pre-conf in a session about SaaS with Steve on Experts Live Europe. I did deliver yesterday also, the other day, a session, last day of the conference, a session about cloud migration. So this time I was speaking about developing with Azure Functions or Serverless. So it's a bit of a mixed topic, but all about Azure. Okay, so that's my vlog for today. Time to check out soon, but I hope to see you again on my next vlog, which has been a while since the last. But at least I got time to record this video right now. So have a great weekend, everyone, and see you around.